Welcome to THREE Events TV on YouTube and ngithanda ukulamukela namhlanje THREE ALLSTARS for November at Art Gallery, National Art Gallery Bulawayo. And right about now, life is music, and who's about to get ready to be on stage achaye set yakhe. Putumdala unjani?
Great, my guy.
Can you tell me more about your music? Since life is music.
Yeah, life is music, my guy. Very guys could made
So what can we expect namhlanje from you?
I mostly like ngizachaya stuff man, but yeah, ngiyayifaka lama local artists amanye wethu, the best, one of the best. Yabo hlanganise kwaba ukuphuma but very.
And THREE ALLSTARS, what does it mean to you? THREE ALLSTARS event namhlanje, what does it mean to you?
I support thina ama local artists yabo. Yasinceda because anje abona karesi sebeza bangazi yabo.
Okay, life is music. It's nice to be with you, and we're expecting so much. Uzasinikeza khona. Thank you. Siyabonga. THREE ALLSTARS namhlanje. You just came from a sound check. Tell me more about it.
Yeah, sound check kami right kakhulu. I'm happy with sound and mbona ngani sasebenza kahle kakhulu.
So usihlanganiseni usiphatheleni namhlanje ku ALLSTARS?
Okay, ngihlanganise nje ingoma zami ezimbalwa ezengeja kakhulu audience. Ama stories ankhona I'm sure ukuthi abantu bazawathanda and bazakholisa kakhulu. Yeah.
And yikuyini okutsha that we can expect, because Adoe siyamaze ngafika lapha uyeza abantu bebesemathandweni namhlanje ku ALLSTARS event, what can we expect?
Okay, so uqala okutsha empilakho ukuthi I'm featuring a poet by the name uChichi, so she'll join me on stage. So ikho kutsha okukhona, and then njalo ku player kakhulu ngile backing vocalist le1, but namhla ngihamba le2 plus I have a lead guitar accompanying my acoustic.
Yes. THREE ALLSTARS pre-check ngilokhona pho Adoe ijaha lase Country Park usuka khatshana, and then thanda ukuthi asihlale khona pha sixhumekele THREE Events TV. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you nyabonga. First time ever akaza kabonakala performer marvelous. Uphuta umdala unjani?
Hayi mina ngiyaphila kakhulu.
Yes, this is the first time and uhlangana lenkanyezi zankhona THREE ALLSTARS. Kutshoni kuwe lokho?
Ngathi kimi kusho ukuthi hayi istep sokuqala sengisiqanisile. SS2 sangikhona angiyakhatshana.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You are ready. So usithembisani wena in terms of abantu abazabuya bezobukela namhlanje ubathembisani?
Mina abantu engibaperformela namhlanje ngifuna ukuthi especially mina ama songs zami ngithi balalele kakhulu i-message ukuthi ngithini ngomphakathi, ngithini emphakathini kuphela nje. Then from there ngiyakwazi ukuthi hayi ingoma zami bazozithanda.
Any special song othi namhlanje le engilungiselele abalaleli bami?
Engiyilungiselele kakhulu ngithe ngithi ngiyakhangela kule song engayibhalayo about ama drugs ngilo Adoe. So that song ngifuna ukuthi bayilalelisise ngoba it's a call out song is emphakathini. So yikho ngifuna ukuthi khona bayilalelisise kakhulu kahle.
Marvelous. And wena utholakala ngaphi ngabantu bengabona i-performance yakho namhlanje bafuxhumana lawe, how do they get in touch with you?
Njengoba ngihlala ngisho ukuthi hayi THREE kungikhaya konke noma yini umuntu abe kufuna uya contactana le THREE.
Thank you siyabonga. There you've heard it from Marvelous. Thank you siyabonga. Welcome to THREE Events TV, and namhlanje is THREE ALLSTARS. My name is Mandie Mae, and lakhathesi ngilo producer of this whole event ubeke the B in Deb. Putumdala linjani?
Ngiyaphila njani wena?
Mina ngiziphilele putumdala. Namhlanje lelanga eliqhakathekileyo ndisibuthanise inkanyezi zonke eze THREE. What is it all about?
Right, ngibingelele umphakathi. Yes, njengoba sechilo mina yimi uB ku Deb. Okay, so namhlanje lilanga elikhulu kakhulu. Siyaziqhenya kakhulu ngalokho okwenzakalayo. This is THREE Events ALLSTARS. So inkanyezi zonke zithe gwaqa. So okwenzakalayo siphumile sadinga italent elingazakaliyo. Abanye sibathethe binga, abanye bavela eFela Bus, abanye bavela endaweni ezijiyeneyo.
so sesenza ishow yabantu laba ngemva kokuba record so lizababona and music yabo lizayithola kuma online stores. So this is THREE Events All Star.
Yes, so ku THREE All Stars event sikhangelela ukuthi siyabe silabo bani.
Alright, so into ezakale njengoba bese ngishilo ukuthi sihambile endaweni ezijenezi siyadopa ama artist. So oqala silo bhuti odumileyo okuthiwa MziStozz. Yeah, abaningi sesimazi odlala amapiano. Kube sokubuya usisi okuthiwa nguMandie Mae. Yes, uMandie Mae like she's different. But yena ubevele sekhona ku industry. Then silama new faces, people like uGagisa, sibelo mavela Supro, silo Adoe and le great stars ijongosi labo sebekhona isikhathi eside endimeni.
THREE All Stars ipush ama local artists kakhulu. What does it mean in terms of local entertainment scene ilanga namhlanje?
All right, so as THREE Events Tina, we are here to bridge the gap. Ngoba into ezakalayo sinanzelela ukuthi nxa singazenzeli akulamuntu ozasenzela. So yikho sidinga italent and still push. So as THREE Events siyathembisa umphakathi ukuthi local artists, local all the way, local talent all the way.
Yes, siyabonga bhuti omdala beke bengithanda ukuzwisisa kahle kahle ukuthi umuntu mayifuna ukuxhumana lani uyenza njani nayo. They want to partake kuma events lama programs ayenzakala ku THREE Events ukuze nayo umunye azithole ku All Stars ngomunye umnyaka olandelayo ungenza njani?
Okay, so njenge THREE Events nxa ulocal koBulawayo uyakwanisa usivakatshela kuma offices ethu siku Main Street between 14 and 15 kule building kona phana kuthiwa iHussein building office number 11. Kumbe angena ku social media usidinga udinge THREE Events. So uyasithola ke lapho ungangena ku THREE Events uyathola ama details wonke. And
ilanga lalamhlanje liqhakathekile bhuti omdala ngoba it's not only about music but there is also a runway show eyenzakalayo, a fashion show. You can tell us about that?
Okay, thank you so much. As I said eqaliseni, we are supporting local talent. So loba yini this year we decided to collaborate le Urban Fusion abayenza kwe fashion. Uyathunga kujaha wangikhona. So si collaborate labo. Next year kuyabe kungokunye kuyabe kukhulu kulalo. So we are supporting anything local.
And amanye ama partners that you have is National Art Gallery Bulawayo. Yes, PSA and
yes, le National Art Gallery abasixhasa kakhulu lo bhuti mambazo PES basixhasa kakhulu kukho konke sikwenzayo. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Looking forward to ilanga elihle namhlanje, and I'll be talking to a lot of artists esabe silabo namhlanje at THREE All Stars TV. Please stay tuned for more. Bayethe great stars ijongosi bhuti omdala njani?
Ngiyaphila mdala njani?
Sibirele. Kathi kuzimuka lokho uhamba njani?
Hayi, ayisikho kudla imali yabafana, hayi. Ikuziqinela nje.
Namhlanje THREE Events All Stars unithembisani?
Ngilithembisa okuhle kodwa mdala.
Siyenzile sound check.
Angenzi but ikhathesi nje ngiyagada phezulu ngifike ngenze. Ngiyeza ukuthi kuyaphuma kodwa hayi ngendlela engithembe ngayo vele la ngendlela iTHREE ngithembe ngayo ngesound. Ikupho ukuthi one round nje senhlensizwe ukuthi konke kuhlangene.
THREE All Stars for isiqathamia kuthoni?
THREE All Stars for isiqathamia ikakhulu mina. Kakhulu ngikubona kusitsho ukuthi njengoba ngisebenza le THREE kamnandi sangazathi umuntu vele ngingathi umuntu lo mza wakhe ombele umfowabo. Base becabanga ukuthi nxa kuthiwa All Stars ukuthi bathatha zonke izitaya ezizwe esisebenza lazo njenge THREE sizithi emphakathini sibone ukuthi abantu bathini. Lathi ngenxa yokuthi siyafuna futhi ukuthi sithuthukise iAll Stars yethu njenge THREE njenge Great Stars ijongosi. Sakubona kufanele ukuthi asihambeni madoda siye njani? Siyenza umsebenzi njengomsebenzi.
Thembisa ababukeli bethu, thembisa ababukeli bethu.
Abantu abahle, ngiyathembisa ukuthi kathesi nje ngisakwenza isound check. Ngivela khona nxa sesichawo 5 lapana liyangena iqembu lejongosi. Ngokuhle kodwa engizalenzela khona estaging. Wozani ngobunenge bethu.
Thank you ngiyabonga THREE All Stars. Oh, marvelous. Yabo, welcome to THREE ALLSTARS. Kare sengikhuluma lo Gyegani onguye okhangele as a sound engineering. Our head sound engineer for THREE ALLSTARS event namhlanje. Bhuti mdala unjani?
Angiyaphila mdala mina unjani?
Yebo. Tell me more ngokuthi sound yakho namhlanje uyilungisa kanjani and kanjani ama artists osebenza la?
Hey, it's been hectic as kudala nke sizama ukuncenga lapha. Sisuke sasengani sesithatha isikhathi esingani stand but kodwa konke sokuhlelekile konke sokuright. Yeah, ama artists engilawa namhlanje anje ngama easy working artist with. So abahluphi njani sound check sesidlulile lapho. So we're looking forward for a main show yangikhona ukuthi senza njani konke kuhambe ngendlela as planned as on set right now. Konke sokuhlangene kwamanje.
Hayi ke kana nyakuzwa but THREE ALLSTARS is the first ever and you are the first sound engineer kuwe lokho kuchoni.
Ngiyajabulisa obviously. Ishow ithi ngiyaqala first edition and you're choosing the sound engineer. That means something. Ba kuthemba kungakanani ukuthi bekufake ku-initiative entsha. So I'm proud, I'm happy ukuthi bemfake kuposition abamfake kuyona and I'm trying by all means not to disappoint. Ngibambe kahle umsebenzi konke kuyaphambili.
Hayi siyabonga bhuti umdala ngokusilungisela ama mic lezi speakers ikhale kamnandi. Danke siyabonga.
Well, I think the posters, as you can see, as a superstar, I'm here and I'm getting a massage during the interview. So yeah, I feel great. I feel great. So
as part of how much do you think
You look stunning. I inspired straight away.
I think it contributes a lot. I would say I'm artist to have recognized and also second you as you say.
So you are part of when we get the team when as an artist who attend the ALLSTARS.
Yeah, it's because we want to also promote such spaces for young women and also women and families. Want to come and my event? Otherwise, it's going on. You can come here and ladies and feel free and not be victimized. It's just one of my events. What you tell me, we are so. There's one child I'm praying for 7 times.
So let's get this on the video.
Massage and everything.
I think you should work on your branding and also on your marketing. Also, and also understand that I'm in general support to this kind of such a one. And also all of that. And also open the mind.
Mandie Mae, female reggae artist, the queen of Matebele, the queen of Zimbabwe, the queen of African reggae. She just gave us a performance. Tell me about that.
Well, it was a great experience. The audience was just amazing. They were responsive. It was amazing. And I felt awesome. Even the team that I was working with, it was amazing. I felt good. You know what?
And the crowd was doing the sing-along.
They were. It was just so amazing. And there were smiles on their faces. So I feel like, when I'm performing, I wanted to look like a therapy session. It feel like a therapy session. And I feel like I did that. Because, at the end, everyone was like, just loose. They let loose and just free. It was amazing.
Oh, that's nice. And tell me about your outfit that you were wearing.
Well, for the first time I was wearing a skirt in public, which was amazing. It was amazing. And the shoes that were really hot in between the performance. But anyways, the crowd was awesome. I removed the shoes in the middle and it was nice. Anyways, it was representing a whole spiritual warfare battle type of thing. That's why the bulletproof and the big boots and the glove, it represents a spiritual warfare readiness of some sort.
Oh yes, that now that you explained it, seems like it's a quite deep outfit that you were putting on. And Mandie Mae, you are part of the THREE All-Stars and it's the first edition.
Well, it was amazing. I would like to just say it's amazing working with THREE. It's just amazing. Even the improvement that I have had, over the last few months, it's just amazing, and it's because of them. And I would say this was the best show, and it was the best place where I showcased what I learned and what I've been improving on. So it's been amazing. What do you think?
Yes, I was there. Mandie Mae, thank you so much. So what more can we expect from you after the first edition of the THREE All-Stars?
A lot of improvement, a lot of me here and there, and a lot of me performing better and better by the day, and a lot of outfits, interesting outfits. Yes. Anyways, what do you think of the outfits?
Okay, Mandie Mae, thank you so much. Sonkomose, what an awesome outfit. Are you ready to perform with uGagisa?
Yes, I'm ready, and thank you for the compliment.
So tell me more about this song that you're particularly doing with uGagisa.
The song is titled Makoti. It's a nice piece, beautiful song. Lapho I appreciate ukuthathwa ngenziwe unkosikazi ngendlela eqondileyo, basically ngibonga ukuphiwa isithunzi in this song.
Okay. And then Sonkomose, you are part of the THREE All-Stars event. What does it mean to you?
It's an honor. It's an honor because I believe I'll be part of the history that is yet to be shared. Ukuthi in first edition we had uSonkomose, and that's an honor.
As THREE events, we appreciate you for allowing us to have you on THREE All-Stars events. Thank you, Sonkomose.
Thank you so much. I'm honored.
Chichi, the poetic queen. I got that right, huh?
Hi, Simpo. How are you?
Good. I got your name right. Chichi, the poetic queen.
Yes, thank you. That's my name.
Yes. The queen of poet. You just performed with Adoe. What's the name of the song?
I'm not so sure, but I know it was a love song. Yes, and we're talking about Suguti, Ngegengushi, Sandosam, and things like that. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Chichi, you're one of the female poets that we have as part of THREE All-Stars. What does it mean to the poetic industry or the poetic space in the entertainment industry?
I feel like spoken word most of the time it's not really prioritized. So the fact that we had a bit of spoken word now shows that we're being inclusive and things like that.
And what do you think it means to other ladies who just watch you perform yourself?
I think it means Ogoti, they also have the opportunity and the platform to actually do what I just did. All they have to do is to just, connect with people, talk to people, make sure people know them, and yeah.
And you as part of our guest performers, what do you think about the whole event?
I love the event. Personally, I love all THREE events, right? But this one takes the cup, especially because of the runway.
Okay. Mm-hmm. You really enjoyed the runway?
I did.
What do you think about the design specifically?
I like the designs. Well, some of them, not all of them, of course. Yes.
Did they communicate anything to you?
Yes, we're talking African vibes, and I think I love everything that relates to Africa, that brings out our culture and things like that. So, yes.
Chichi, my queen, thank you very much for being part of the THREE All-Stars.
You are welcome.
Danke siyabonga. I'm one of the anchors of this event, the backup vocalist for almost how many artists?
4.
4 artists. Michelle, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So you were backup vocalist for uGagisa, for
Sida, Adoe, Marvelous, Mandie Mae.
oh yes. And how much preparation did you put into that?
Yo, we took our time. We really took our time to prepare. We made a lot like that. So we're really prepared for this. Yeah.
Oh yes. And how was the reception with the audience?
It was great actually. It was great. Yeah, it was very great. I don't know what to say, but it was great.
It was great. You felt like you were appreciated and
Yes, we were appreciated to be there.
and coordinating with other artists. How was it?
It's amazing. It's really amazing. We get to see how other artists are like, because we can't just stay singers. When you get to interact with other artists, it's actually a way of growing. Because and we also grow musically, so it's actually a great thing for us to interact with other artists. Yeah.
And the event delay with THREE ALLSTARS event. We won njani?
It's fruitful. Yeah, it's fruitful. It has a lot of people. There's a lot of activity. It's a great event. Well done to you guys.
Michelle, a high five to you. Looking forward for you go to the corner on the 2nd edition. And also, what's the name?
Hi, my name is Mandie.
And did you enjoy the whole show?
Enjoyed everything. It was so fun. Yeah, sing soprano.
And you definitely coming the next time.
Definitely, I'll be there.
Siyabonga kakhulu mantombazana. THREE ALLSTARS. Taluso the poet. THREE ALLSTARS. Yezo baba. Ngicela ukuthi uzi-introduce baba.
Kuluma lazo Charles the point ufana uphuma phansi kwandemwana into ephe ngaphansi kwenjini uhlamba ikhulunywa kusho untombi zimdekulanga zamqoma ngoba zimthatha ufana usikwelede enhlizweni entombi ehamba yangishiya ngathi intombi zala abantu sebantwini ngimfunga uDodobo kababa kutombi yogani nyamazana sikhona yithi abantu uyimfana muhle ngamehlo ufana muhle mlene nokugadla ngothando abanye begadla ngama AK47 ekhaya egaranye emawana into ephe lapha engafundela khona inkani ngagadla bathi agadla ngamina mhlambe ugadla baba ngobe nengalo ezinkulu kathi ugadla mina umathanjana amancane adle ngoqina izintsha ziyamkhonkotha zimkhonkotha ebusika lehlo ufana kamoyo azimlumthi sekubuluma ponga induku kaMozisi la khona ngishakuza kaluphunyuka bemphethe abathe banqabe emvimbe ngaleni ishona ngaleni ngishona mhla ngifayo mina ngizokudliwa izibungu kwazise legazi libabayo indlabe iphika ngomlomo kodwa phakathi ezihlweni zabo bemvuma lawe usungaphika kodwa bavuma abanye ukuthi inkosi ezimbongi zonke eZimbabwe seziphelele.
Taluso the poet konapana THREE ALLSTARS. I think you just outdid yourself namhlanje.
Uyabona lento bathi iphekwe yayekwa qedwe yafaka uphini ngaphezulu konke sokuhambe kahle konke kungomumo ngumntwana omutsha lozelweyo THREE ALLSTARS sikhangelela ukuthi namhlanje bokumnandi sikhangelela ukuthi ngomnyaka ozayo njalo kube mnandi izibili iboci izimuncumuncu udla kwezifundiswa amancemunceyo.
Yes. Ilanga leli kuwe esihlanganisa sibuthanisa ama-artist amaningi ama-local. Ulibona njani so far?
Ngibona kulilanga elihle njalo kungumbono omuhle oyenzakeleyo ukuthi let's share the audience. Umuntu othanda imbube akeze ezokuzwa imbaqanga akeze ezokuzwa ikwayito akeze ezokuzwa ihouse lokho ngumbono omuhle kakhulu ukuthi ngabe wonke umuntu ucabanga njenge THREE amagama amathathu engulibingelela ngawo TAB.
Danke siyabonga. Taluso the poet THREE ALLSTARS. uGagisa, the man of the moment, the man who stole the show baba. Lishona njani?
Sithole kahle badala, asithole sikholisa namhlanje la.
Kusebenzeke njani namhlanje?
Mina njenge artist ngibone kusiba into enkulu kakhulu ukuzibona sestage lesifana nalesi namhlanje. Ngibalelwe ku THREE ALLSTARS. Abantu njengena ngezwa bethi uGagisa hayi lami njenge artist ebelilicha emcimbini ofana nalo hayi ngijabulile kakhulu kumangalisile njalo siyabonga kakhulu ukubuya kwabantu kusimangalisile nabo.
Gagisa uzwe njani ngesikhathi abantu laphana bebuya kuwe bekujabulela ngesikhathi uhlabela umculo besukuma ezitulweni bebuya phambi kwakho?
Ngijabule kakhulu kumangalisile actually umangelo lapho engakhanelanga ukuthi abantu bangangamkela ngaliyani indlela ngezwa betaba kakhulu nami ngezwa njabule yabona ama artist ungena ebantwini uzwa abantu la uyazizwa ukuthi into yenzayo isebantwini siyabonga kakhulu.
format of the show, THREE ALLSTARS event. Next year, Ustepisan. Or in the second edition, next year. Because this is the first edition, first ever. Second edition, Ustepisan.
Hayi ngiyabonga. Engubonileyo ngibese into engicabanga njengamanje. uGagisa somela lungise izingoma ngenxa yokuthi nanzela ukuthi ingoma zami zamukelekile abantwini laba benza perform ingoma ze-album yakuqala. Kodwa ngendlela engibona ngisamukeleka ngayo abantwini nami ngizwa ngisiba le ntshunto yokukhupha okunye okudlula lokho. Lindelani i-album elitsha.
Yes. Gagisa on the THREE ALLSTARS event, first edition. Uthini ngayo? Okuvalelisa uthini ngayo ishow le namhlanje?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngicela ukubonga kanti lokufaka ukubanika idlabuzane abe-THREE indlela abasebenze nzigadalala ngayo kungela sekelo lwezimali kodwa labo ubona befuqa kanzima ize iphumele lisho le mina bengikhona bengiseduze labo mbona into bezihamba nzima kakhulu kodwa ke siyababonga ukuthi bayenze izinto zenzakala siyababonga impela.
Zulu Kandaba siyabonga for supporting us on THREE ALLSTARS event. Thank you. Siyabonga. Lijali Putomdala.
Ngiyaphila njani?
Kusebenzekile namhlanje.
Kusebenzeke kuhle kakhulu Sipho. Hayi kusebenzeke kuhle kakhulu siyabonga kakhulu. Hayi ngile joy enkulu kakhulu. Yeah.
What do you think we can improve from the initial show esibe layo namhlanje as THREE ALLSTARs?
Hayi mina ngibona ngani i-THREE yenze the best. Angazi maybe kusalela abantu nje ukuthi begcwale and akusu problem ethu kakhulu. But abantu ibo nje kumele bezizwe belomlando ukuthi bezogcwala nxa kucha ama THREE stars. Yeah.
Kodwa we had good support namhlanje.
Yeah, kakhulu. Kakhulu.
What do you think of the crowd esibe layo?
Hayi crowd besilayo amazing kakhulu. Amazing kakhulu because bebesinika support as artists on stage and be related to music. Ubona ukuthi abantu laba they are there yabo bakhona. Yeah.
And when you think there was awesome reception to music yakho from the audience.
Angizwa? Sorry.
Ubona ngathi i-audience iziyamkeleka kuhle ingoma zakho.
Yes, kakhulu. Yeah. Bazamukele kuhle kakhulu ingoma. I could see nje performer ukuthi they are vibing with my music. Yes. Yeah.
This is the first edition. What should people look forward to in the second edition? Ngaspono Adoe.
From Adoe. Into abantu abanga-expecta is more good music. Because into enzakalayo ukuthi lami I learned a lot namhlanje ngobona ama-artists njengabo uGagisa beperforma ijongosi and lami kungiphushile to put more effort yabona into engiyenzayo. So I believe ukuthi next edition music yami layo iyabe ingani isikhulile and kuyabe kumnandi kakhulu. Yes.
THREE ALLSTARS with Adoe. Keep shining. Thank you, Siyabonga. Legendary kwaito musician from Street Niggas in Pete and the original. Umzala Putomdala unchani.
Ngishapurwa murad kodwa.
Leli khehla elikhulu bathandekayo. Leli khehla elikhulu Putomdala. I saw you on stage bringing kwaito back. Kuhamba njani?
Kwaito I was trying to let people know ukuthi kwaito saphila. Because we've got our group Co-Boys, a former member of Co-Boys abasekho emhlabeni.
Yes.
I'm trying to let that group yekwaito ukuthi kwaito saphila lesibambaneni ezebulawayo yonke into besiyenza as street niggas, as former street niggas ukuthi yonke into ivele abantu besponse sikwazi ukuthi senzani ngaphambilini sifundise abanye nathi.
Coming back on stage, sibone uMjokes eThuja. How was the feeling?
MziStozz is a big gun. MziStozz, I respect MziStozz kwezinye indawo because MziStozz uvusa abanye ama-artist ngokuya lathi sisakhula wasivusa lathi. So it makes me proud ukuthi ama-artist asasupportana. Let's support each other ukuze sigrowe lami ukuze ngisebenze lama-new artist ngoba kunje songibuyile kuKwaito ngifuna ukusebenza lamanye ama-new artist ukuze i-album lami liphume grand kwezinye indawo.
Yes. Mzala ingoma oziphofomileyo kuthiwa ngobani amabizo azo?
Kule social fell empini. I-social fell empini ikuthi isoja mali seliqambile ukuthi ngilisoja vele ngizofela khona. Kulo moya wami uyavuma. Umoya wami uyavuma. It's like a blessing to God. Ulala sithandaze ukuthi uNkulunkulu asiblesse kule music esiyenzayo. Ngiyabonga.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, from Umzala, legendary Cowboys. Danke, siyabonga THREE ALLSTARS baba. Legendary. Next to me, uKhwezi lijali bhuti omdala.
Angiphilile kakhulu mdala unjani wena ntomdala?
Awesome set ubuchaya ezothanda.
Bengichaya ezomthando ntomdala, that was the target. That was the target.
Yes. And while you were performing, ngibona abantu bethulisela bekulalela. Thina we are normally used to abantu beseqa nxa umuntu ehlabele naphatona bebethule belalela.
Yes sir.
How is that feeling?
I'm very proud of that. Into engizama ukuyi-achieve. Most of the music yami is more of you sitting down and listening to what I'm saying. So ngithe ngibona abantu belalele, be-attentive. Ngiyabonga for this opportunity and it's amazing. It's been an amazing event.
Is it safe to say uKhwezi as a musician is a therapist?
That is the idea, and now sokufake so ngiyathaba kakhulu. Yes, that is the idea. Kwezi is a therapist. We are trying to tackle all mental and any emotional things as hambagizo sikhulume nge real life ntomdala. Yes sir.
First time I'm seeing you uhlabelelwa ama-chain. Namhlanje ngithenga ubona ubukela ama-chain. What has led to that change?
Before ama-chain mntomdala si uhlangane lami before releasing album yami uSeasons. uSeasons was more of me breaking out of the chains. Kule ngoma ekhuluma ethi ngiqamla amaketane. So before that, it was before the album. And the album ngakhangela, the album cover is me with chains. One of the songs, if it is Puma, I think December, it's me portraying me breaking out of the chains. So Namhla is me without the chains. My chains is more of emotionally, you know, depression. I've fidelis with men. We are losing people through depression and intolese. That's what we're tackling. So namhlanje was me portraying ukuthi madoda we can break through intolezi. We have to try. Akula ngenye indlela. Impilo asiphileni mntomdala. So today no chains. We are breaking through that. That's me.
What can you promise your fans about the THREE ALLSTARS event?
Yo. I'm not even faking. I always say this, I have never experienced a sound. Ekwanis keeper, a vocal this way. The DJs, the sounds, the PA system. My God, Agula PA system. Engiba confident more than THREE. I am not lying. I can even hit a solo. The sound is perfecto. Siyabonga for this platform. Siyabonga so much.
And by the way, we were a special guest to go Shole.
And an honor. Ngasendula a message. I could not believe it. Guest performer, family. This is my honor. Akula ibale ngabuya lalo. Something ngiyabonga. And every time you see a poster eloquezi with THREE ngicela ubuye. Because I swear to you, into engizayenza on stage sound is perfecto. Awe, anyabonga.
Kwezi siyabonga bhuti omdala. Danke, siyabonga. the host, the MC, DJ Turntables. Keep on the bottom chart.
Yes.
You were one of the hosts on the show. How was it?
The show was magnificent. The show was prosperous. The show was amazing. Yeah. I can't even tell from the artists that they took place on the big stage. Everything it was. I can't even say. I don't even have the words about it. But nevertheless, it's quite a craze. I'm so much like it's an honor and a privilege for me to have an opportunity as the president of THREE events to be the MC as well as introducing Mandie Mae on the.
How was it introducing Mandie Mae?
Wow, introducing Mandie Mae to me, it was more than what I can say. Mandie Mae, she's a reggae artist. Understand? Into yenzayo le band yakhe masikubeka koBulawayo angithi uMandie Mae akula umuntu oshanje ngoMandie Mae wamanje. Kodwa sikugquzela ukuthi kube labanye abathi hayi being inspired from Mandie Mae. You understand mntaka mama? And then okunye yabona ngithanda ukubonga iTHREE events. Ungaso THREE events ngasikho lapho mntaka baba. Yabona iTHREE events yenza umehluko ngoBulawayo omkhulu kakhulu. You understand? Yeah.
And then also, how was the feeling watching Umzala come back to the scene?
Sorry?
How was the feeling watching Umzala come back to the scene?
Yeah. Oh, the big guns, yes. Tell about Umzala, uMziStozz Mfanafuthi. Then now we're talking about the foundation of our street niggas. You understand? Yeah, from 97, 98, 99, the boy Umzala, uMziStozz Mfanafuthi. Wow, that was amazing. They performed very well. About to people may take me, brother.
Okay. Siyabonga Turntables from THREE events. Thank you.
Now you ask them mama ungapi
Sisonke.
Yes.
Thank you, Siyabonga. It has been a wonderful day. And right now I'm talking to Ashford, aka Captain, one of the producers for this THREE All-Stars event. Thank you, Siyabonga. Put up dollar. How was the whole event overall?
Overall, I can say the event was a success. Looking at the turnout, and us, we push local, and looking at the turnout, it shows that we're on the right path. I'm actually happy with the whole event actually.
And then, in terms of pushing our local acts, THREE All-Stars in Netangan.
THREE All-Stars in Netangan. Abantu nxa usebenzisana labo liwine liba manager ama-shows kwesikhathi athanda ukuba malutshwana thina siyabacreatela i-platform yokuthi abantu bebonakala ukuthi italent likhona koBulawayo abantu bebabone bejwayele labo i-stage. They are getting exposed at the same time ama-opportunities avuleka.
And then of the acts abaperforming there, which one was like, we were like, this is wow?
I think namuhla uGagisa was on top of his game. uGagisa namhla proved ukuthi into le ikuwe is here to stay. Akakopi umuntu le style sakhe and abantu bas appreciate ungabona uphakamise njani umphakathi. Yikho bona khona umuntu lo into le ikuwe and abantu now kholoke bengikusho eqalisela abantu ukuthi i-exposure naliyana abantu sebekwazi manje ukuthi uGagisa abantu bebengamazi. But now abantu sebekwazi ukuthi kulomuntu othiwa uGagisa oyenza into ekhona engajwayelekanga ebantwini.
And what was the secret in managing to pull a crowd yonke le?
I think the secret ikona lokuthi we've been pushing local for a while. Now abantu sebe-understand ukuthi local kuyenzakala and abantu sebekwana ukuthi bebuye bezosupporta i-local.
And to our partners, besicela ukuthi ubabonge.
Yeah, ngithanda ukubonga THREE Event Solution. Ngomsebenzi abasenza basixhasa konke esikwenzayo okuhle designs abasilahli noma kunzima bahamba lathi. Siyabonga indima abadlale iNational Art Gallery ukusivulela ispace sabo. Siyakubonga lokho asonto encane lana sokuthatha ilula. Siyabonga kakhulu umsebenzi. Abona ukuthi bakhona abanye embakhodliweyo but ngiyabonga umsebenzi ama-partners ethu esihamba lawo lokho besixhasa abasilahli lokho besisupporta sisiyaphambili. Hayi kuyabongeka futhi.
Hayi Dankie siyabonga Captain ngomsebenzi omuhle esiwenza njenge-Dep 3 fans. My name is Sibomesani Nyathi. Wait and watch out for the second edition, Dep 3 All Stars. Dankie siyabonga.